Hello guys, so in this lab we're going to solve these four questions. The first question, which asks us to verify the entered or maybe the user input, whether it's even or odd. And then the second question, to determine whether the user input, like which is a number, is positive or negative. And then the third one is to give an output of a coefficient and a remainder of a number of numbers. So here this is not part of the question. And then the other one is Python program to find the area of a triangle. All right, so let us deal with these questions as quick as possible. So I've just given here some hints on how to solve this. So the first one, we know to say if a number is even, meaning that it is 2 times k. So k is any natural number. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the formula. And then if a number is not it's not even, which is odd numbers, the formula is this. So we have 2 times k, where k is a natural number. So 2 times k plus 1. All right, so we can just simply use the module to verify that. So if we do module of this and then is equals to 0, then it's even, and then else if it's different to that, then it's odd. So the simplest way we can do this, we can get a number. So we'll get a number from the user. So we'll say these numbers can be integers or non-integers. So let's force the user to integers. So we can do this. So what we'll do, okay, this is supposed to be, okay, let's do this. Input, and then here enter a value. So here it can be an integer. So the funny part about this is that you can get integers or float, but the best thing to do is to just get integers to make it simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to use conditions. So a condition statement where we're going to check this number, which is num, and then module of 2 is equals to 0, and then we'll print. So we'll say num is even, else. So if it's not that, then the value given is odd. So we'll say num is odd. So that's it, nothing much to do here. So we'll get, so this built-in function input, we're asking the user. So inside, it's not obligatory that you have to put content here. We can leave it like that. The content here is the message which we're going to display on our screen so that we get the user input. So let us run the program and see the results, and also verify if there are any errors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write Python 3, and then my name of the program is lab1, now it's lab2.py. So enter a value. So let me try to enter 7. So 7 is odd. Let me run it again, and then put 12. So 12 is odd. So you see there it works. So for any values you can enter, then it does work. So let us move on to a new question. So the new question asks us to check the value if it's positive or negative. So we know to say that a value to be positive or negative, we know to say that 0 can be our helper here. If a value is greater than or equal to 0, so we'll say, just put here a number is greater than or equal to 0, then this number is positive. Else, now we just write else, it's a negative. So voila, here we can use again the same setup. So we say here we get a float and then input from the user. So we'll ask the user enter a number. So we can put a message here to say verify or numbers. Yeah, number sign verifier. Yeah, that's just a message. So here now what we're going to do after getting the user input, what we're going to do, we're going to verify whether this number is greater than. So you can do the vice versa. You're not obliged to make the condition like on one side. So you can, if we want, what we can do here, if we say it's less than 0, so we'll do is if it's less than 0, then we'll print, yeah, so we print the number, say it's a negative, then else print put number, here it's positive, and is positive. So voila, that's the entire program. Nothing much to do there. So let us run the program again, then see if there are any bugs. So yeah, so numbers sign verifier. So enter a number. So enter -6. So -6, it's negative. So let's enter 8. So 8 is a positive. Yeah, so that's how you work with programming. It's not difficult to program. So now let us move to the next question. So the next question is to find the coefficient. So finding the coefficient, we can just simply, okay, so